What is going on, people? So I'm still new to the whole Insta360 thing, but my curiosity got the best of me. I wanted to see what this thing looked like mounted up to the hood of my car opposed to the trunk. So this is pretty much just a quick video of the point of views that I got mounting it to the hood. But I also got these wind muffs I was talking about in the last video. And we're still working with the Honda until I get the rest of my Mazda parts in. So we're not doing any crazy exhaust clips or anything like that today. This is more so just the point of views, and I want to show you guys what the wind muff actually sounds like, because the wind noise before was atrocious in that last video. I don't know if you're a fellow creator, but it was one of those videos I watched back and I tried not to cringe, but I was like, damn, I'm so excited about this camera, I can't not upload this. Plus I want to put people on in case they're not familiar with the whole action camera thing, but yeah. Gotta give her the old wiggle test, extend her out, mount your camera on, make sure it's tight. Don't let this thing fly off. And without further ado, let's go get some shots with this thing. The funniest thing to me is just how freaky this thing looks. Looks like I'm about to joust somebody.